Hello and welcome to this video. Before we really start to dive into the Git topic, I want to mention three things before we really get to start. I will use certain things on the terminal you may not know yet, and I do not want that you get confused by it. So to reuse commands in the terminal, like for example cd downloads, cd downloads or cd in ever directory you want to go, or you maybe want to list the directory structure, or you want to add more parameters to a command. There is a shortcut that you can go through all commands that you have already used at the terminal. And you can do this by just using the up and down arrow key. And you will see as I type the up arrow key, I go through the history of the last 3 commits. And you will see this very often, that I am using this functionality to just demonstrate some Git commands that we have used before, for example. So this is the first thing. Then you now also have seen that I cleared the console right now, right? And clearing the console is also easy to do in nearly every terminal that you can use. Just use Control and L, and this will clear the console for you, and you start over again. Clearing the console is not totally right, it's just a kind of scrolling. So if you scroll up the terminal again, you will see the, the past commands that you have used, of course. And then there is another shortcut that I really like, and this is called the reverse search. So if you hit Ctrl R in your terminal, you will see that there is a search or a prompt is showing up, and there you can type, for example, parts of the commands you have used. I now want to type LA, and this will show up the ls-la command, and if I hit enter, this command is applied. And this really helps you if you have a large command with lots of arguments that you provide, and then you can simply hit Control R, or maybe you just want the cd downloads command again, and then you can search for it using this cool feature. So these are the 3 things I want to mention before we really get started. I hope that we will see us in the next video. By the way, if you still have any question about the video, or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.